Hello, I'm Marcia Iman. I'm the city historian, and I am the director of the Center for Sacramento History. And I am here tonight to thank Jim Tabucci for calling our attention to this very important and very historic sign for the Osaka-Ya Confectionery, which hung in the History Museum for over 20 years. We believe in our profession that artifacts tell stories. This particular piece has so many stories to tell us, relating from early Japanese coming here to Sacramento, the first business, this business established as early as 1910, and its different versions throughout time, and it is such a rare and special piece. It now is facing a new critical point in its life, and we have to, our job is also to preserve it over time. We have just had a conservation assessment, preliminary assessment done, and I'm going to turn it over to my registrar to talk about what the conservator has reported.
I'm Sam Suarez. I'm the registrar for the Center for Sacramento History, and the conversations we had with the conservator recently pointed out several important facts. First, this sign probably suffered from what's called auto-degradation, which means no matter what sort of conditions it was kept in, it would probably degrade at a certain rate, and this is the evidence we see here on the painting of that auto-degradation. There's lots of flaking, there's the substrate is cleaving off the glass, and it's becoming a serious issue. The other important point he made was that the best thing for the sign is to house it, keep it in a cool, dark place. The other interesting fact that we learned was that there are very few conservators that handle this particular type of painting, a reverse glass painting. So it might be cost prohibitive and just logistically prohibitive to get this restored. Our intention is to house this, crate it, house it, and keep it at appropriate temperature and relative humidity for the remainder of its life.
But we would like to acknowledge the Osaka-Ya business that's still in existence, and that we would be happy to create a reproduction of this in order to be displayed, because it is such a special piece, and it does tell such a significant history of the Japanese American community here in Sacramento.